This is the main computer with the OpenCIN manager. This computer is connected to the 5 workstations through a local host.
Here, in order to start any process, first we have to create the manufacturing orders, and then we have to be sure that all the materials in the warehouse are settled as we input them in the original program.
After all this settled down, the production begins as it's supposed to be. While in the computer we can see a real-time simulation of what's happening in this manufacturing system. The software, we have some utility programs as the machine definition, the part definition, the optimization definition, which tell us the activities that it's perform in each workstations, the time it takes to be performed, the material that it's involved, and as the start and final product in each workstation.
The first station in this manufacturing cell consists in a warehouse to store the finished product and the raw material that will be used to manufacture a certain pieces. Finished product is stored in the free spaces and the raw material is in the right side of the warehouse. To move the material, the warehouse uses a certain robot of 3 degrees of freedom and add another degree in the rotation to pick the material and put it in the pallets over the manufacturing zone. This station is controlled by a computer that is connected to the master computer.
In workstation 2 we have a lathe machine and a 5 degree of freedom plus a 7 degree arm. The principal function is to grab the material from the conveyor and put it inside the lathing machine. Once the lathe machine has done its job, the arm grabs the material back and put it back into the conveyor. See the 3 main pillars of the manufacturing system, which is the manufacturing process with the lathing machine. We have the material management with the robot and the control programming with this workstation. The workstation number 3 is composed basically of the same as the workstation number 2. Here we have the milling machine, the 5 degree plus 7 degree of freedom arm, and the workstation. The arm, the same as the workstation number 2, we can see 3 of the pillars of the manufacturing system, which is the manufacturing process, the material management, and the control programming. The same as the workstation number 2, the arm function is to grab the material from the conveyor and put it inside the milling machine. After the process is done, the arm grabs the material and put it back into the conveyor.
Well, this is the 4th station of this manufacturing cell, and in this station we have a 6 degrees of freedom robot, which can actually perform several complex processes like painting and welding. In this case, here it is used for welding processes. Here we have the torch and different jigs or temporary stations. Since this robot actually is involved in the process, but also in material handling, we can say that of the 3 pillars, it is involved in 2, material handling and manufacturing processing.
Workstation number 5 has a SCARA type robot with 4 degrees of freedom, which can make movements of the plane for assembly operation or operation of a specific process. In this case, it performs 2 processes, the assembly operation and the visual inspection operation, that is quality control. It has temporary racks with defined space that serve to temporarily place parts so that they can be assembled. The quality inspection is carried out with the help of a already positioned camera, which is very sensitive to movement. It has a small conveyor and that comes has a 7-axis, which is also controlled with the robot control. Safe conveyor helps to position a piece for visual inspection. If differences are detected in this place, the piece is sent to the scrap in this place, or if this would return to the line. This station performs the function of material handling and computer programming.